Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, depending where you are in the world. Let's get started straight away. So basically, this is the second video I'm doing on my YouTube, as I was stating during the previous one on BTC. I'm gonna do weekly review on BTC every single Thursday, and weekly review on ETH on a Tuesday. First of all, I hope that you're all doing okay after the event of that happened over the weekend. I hope you're all safe and you didn't get liquidated or you didn't over leverage or whatever. I do hope that my latest video on BTC did help at least a couple of you. And let's get started with the business, right? So if where do we stand on if? So that's if on the weekly. As you can see, we had a really, really nasty week. Um, Over the weekend, we went down. We almost perfectly retested the yearly open and 26 SMA on the weekly. We didn't on Kraken. I know that on some futures trading pairs, we did across a couple of exchanges, but not on the USD pair on Kraken, right? That's where I do most of my charting, right? But that's not where I trade. Um, so what about the weekly? As you can see, we've been rejecting from 2021 all-time high from mid-August. We had no close above it. We've been trending down since. Of course, we had some volatility, and we had whatever happened over the weekend with a really, really empty order books across the crypto market. I mean, it was terrible for many, many alts, but ETH is what does matter to us. Um, Not looking too good on the weekly on the RSI. You We're looking to have a cross actually on the weekly on the MACD day, but let's move to the 3 days and the daily. I'm going to inform you about the current position I have open as well on ETH. So important level to watch. We've got the yearly open sitting around like I think it's 3,333. Yes, that's it. And we have an important CME gap sitting slightly below 3K. So the CME gap is from like 2,826, I do believe, to 2,990, which is slightly below the 200 SMA on the 3 days, right? So what can we see on the 3 days? Well, a couple of the bearish diversions there. It did play out. I mean, the market took some time to play, but as you can see, the MACD did cross uh, already and is trending down towards zero. Right, that would be really interested to see that that traders there slightly below yearly open, and I mean, if we go to yearly open, you've got the CME gap, and for sure you'll get institutional buyers uh, getting in. That would be the perfect uh, long to me, in my opinion, slightly below 3K, and on top of it, I don't know if you guys look at the liquidations, where the liquidation sits. I mean, of course, we're the biggest liquidation ever, 400 billion from the market has been raised, like 1.6 million traders been liquidated, blah, blah, blah. They were just fucking gamblers. I mean, they were over leveraged, you know what I mean? As a trader, your goal is to extract liquidity of the market and survive. I'm not a gambler, I'm a trader. I cannot be liquidated, and as a trader, or if you're looking to be one, or become one, or if you want, liquidation should not be an option. Better go to the fucking casino and bet on red or black, right? Um, Also, another thing, I stated the Discord of our community is free. You've got the link to get access. All you need to do is have a Bluffin account. If you already got one, you get free access. Otherwise, there is the link in the bio, and you get VIP statue on Bluefin plus bonus deposit, whatever the exchange offer, and it does support our trading group and family, right? Um, Daily, where do we stand? So on my system, the reversal flashing there, as you can see, that's where the reversal flashing over there. That's where I went short for the first time. I got first TP back to break even. So currently, I've got three positions on ETH. All of them are shorts, and one short was open yesterday. And we currently run the entry, so I'll show you. So I've got one short position from 4,880, which was basically slightly above uh, previous all-time high, because for me it was just a liquidity grab and it did play out. TP1's been reached, stop is at break even, and I did reopen a second position. I mean, I did reopen a position there. I got TP1 back to break even, so I got stop at B on that second position, and I did reopen at 4,732 or 32 or 42. I don't really remember. Let me check so I don't. Yeah, 4,732. That's correct. And that one reached TP1 stop is at break even on the safe side on the true previous short position. I mean, we had such a movement that was nice. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna brag about it because I know that many people got um, really hurt. So what do we see on the daily? We see that we're having a low high over there. Of course, my charts are inverted, blah, blah, blah. You know my work. We make a new low. I mean, for me, we're just trending down. We're crossing over the 926. We had a retest, pretty clean retest of the 926, no close above, um, no close above it. So for me, we're just going to get continuation uh, down on it to a level in between the yearly open and the CME gap would be great. I would like to see what's the reaction on the 200 SMA. And to be fully transparent, I did open in the Discord a position on ETH yesterday. So that's the setup. My stop is around there. So the market makers, I know a couple of you are my friends, but please don't chase me. I mean, that's fine. I mean, good money over the weekend, right? My entry is 4,132 on the swing short that I recently reopened, and final TP sitting slightly above 2,550. So TP1 has not been reached yet. Hopefully, we will see in the next video next week if TP1 gets reached by then. But I mean, I would like to see at least that body candle closure opening. That's closure there. That body candle closure to be closure for the red, opening for the blue one. Yeah, you know what I mean. To be retested and see a reaction there, because 3.7 to 3.8, I mean 3,650 to 3,820 is an important historical uh, zone, and that's basically where we bounced. So would like to see what will be the reaction of the market from there. But I do believe we're gonna be trading down. I mean, if you look at it, we still trading down. A lot of FOMO did happen over the weekend. We had a really nice bounce. Today's been, I mean, yesterday was volatile. Today was volatile because Powell was also speaking, right? Oh shit, already 9 minutes. Usually I say like I will do 10 minutes max of video because it will be a bit longer. Let me have a look at the H4 really quick. So yeah, as you can see on the H4, the H4 is pretty clean to me. I mean, we've been trending up for a while above the 200 SMA. We've been crossing around, reclaiming. I had reversal flashing on my system. That was a long, that was a short day. I mean, really nice short indeed. And where we're sitting now is below the 200 SMA, so I do expect continuation, maybe even trading on the 9 and 26 on the way down to the yearly open, at least slightly below it will be nice. As I've stated, there's the 200 SMA on the daily sitting there, which I'm really interested into. And I think that was it for me, guys. You've got the game plan. You've got my latest position open. I have three positions, but the latest position open has been open yesterday. So we're still around entry. We're currently sitting at 4,120 as I record the video. So it's only like $12 from away from my entry. Good enough if you're willing to take the risk. I stated before, our trading community, we are a team of five. You can join us anytime. It's free. Anywhere you are in the world, we've got traders trading on many different time zones, and you'll see. Yeah, have a look. I'm sure you'll find many, many, many great men in it. Anyway, that was it for me, guys, tonight, and I see you on Thursday for the BTC review of the current position we did open during the previous live stream last Thursday before the dump. Have a good one, guys. Cheers.